Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be making egg roast. Alright, so to make this egg roast, first I'm going to add some oil in a pan. So I'm going to add around 3 teaspoons of oil. And I have now simmered the flame. And to this, I'm going to add in a pinch of fennel seeds. Alright. We need to wait for this to kind of splutter. Get ready. Alright, so it's now started to splutter. I'm going to now add in the ginger garlic paste. If you have the store-bought one, you can add that. I've chopped up some ginger and some garlic here. Alright, so now the ginger garlic paste is now getting cooked. At this point, I'm going to add in some curry leaves. And with this curry leaf, I'm going to add in onions. So I've used 2 large onions here. You can add according to how much you want in the gravy. So make sure you chop it up real nice. And let's give that a good mix. And let's also add in some salt. So I'm adding in around like 1/4 teaspoon of salt just to caramelize the onions and get that golden brown somewhat more faster. Let's give that a good stir. Alright, so while the onion is cooking, I have parboiled 4 eggs here, and I've cut them in half, and I have now marinated them using turmeric powder, red chili powder, and some salt. Alright, so now the onions have slightly discolored, and now I'm going to add in around 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, red chili powder. I'm using Kashmiri chili here. You can add how much ever chili powder you want according to your spice level. Alright, and we're going to add about 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Alright, now let's give that a good mix so that all the masalas can get mixed in with the onion and the rest of the things we added in. Alright, so now I've mixed everything, and now I'm going to add in around 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Let's give that a good mix. Alright, so now I've turned down the flame to low, and I'm going to add in a little bit of water. Alright, let's give that a good mix. You can add water according to the consistency that you want the gravy to be. Alright, so now I'm going to add in the eggs. Let's put it yellow side facing the pan so that we can, you know, like get it well cooked. Alright, so now let's give it a good mix. Make sure the yellow doesn't separate from the white. Alright, so now let's cover this up and cook it for around like 10 minutes. Alright, so now it's almost ready. Let's give that a good mix. Let's make sure the eggs are well cooked. It's now giving off a really good aroma. Alright, so now I'm going to add in some cilantro leaves. You can chop it up if you want, and you can just top it off with that. And that's it. Alright, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, make sure you hit that bell icon and click on all so you will be notified right when I post. Thank you and have a nice day.